The suburb of Bowden, located only 2.5 kilometres from Adelaide CBD, is currently undergoing significant redevelopment as part of the state government's first higher density urban infill project. As part of the revitalisation of the area, the existing gas network required substantial upgrade. The existing transmission main, which traversed the new high-density development area, was identified for the realignment project. Diona was engaged on behalf of APA Group and Australian Gas Networks to complete the transmission main realignment. The project involved the construction of over 3 kilometres of DN 300mm and DN 150mm transmission pipeline using 12-metre lengths of steel pipeline strung together by welding, sandblasting and coating the joints. Works were undertaken at night through some of North Adelaide's busiest arterial link roads. A 5-person crew trenching at a rate of approximately 40 metres per night, backfilling and reinstating asphalt progressively ensured minimal disruption to the local area. The project was close to areas of medium-high density housing as well as high-profile stakeholders such as Adelaide Entertainment Centre and Channel 7. The constructed pipeline route impacted critical infrastructure with bored steel pipe crossings employed to pass the existing tram line at the intersection of Port Road and Park Terrace, as well as the Outer Harbour and Gawler rail lines. Works along Park Terrace involved a number of environmental challenges with the transmission pipeline and bore work areas constructed in Benithan Park and the Northern Parklands. The project team faced a number of challenges along the route. One of the most technically complex aspects of this project was the DN 300mm steel pipe bore under the Gawler rail line at the intersection of Exeter Terrace and Torrens Road. During the horizontal boring, an uncharted obstacle resulted in the loss of the drilling head. In order to identify the impediment, Diona had to excavate in between the PTC and ARTC rail lines. So as to satisfy all parties, including APA, PTC and ARTC, Diona engaged consulting engineers to provide loading calculations using a temporary off-the-shelf shoring panel system. Diona had very strict timescales with the excavation of the shaft and installation of the shoring, as well as removal of the obstacle to be completed in a single 12-hour night shift. During the program, trains ran earlier than expected and this reduced the scheduled program. Diona had to ensure the area within the zone of influence was supported by the shoring during the passing of any trains. Once excavated, the presence of an unknown concrete-filled stormwater pipe was determined as the obstruction. It was removed and the bore completed successfully.